I've said many times I'm not going to enter active politics. I've said it many times. Every time you've asked me for the last 20 years, I think. The answer has not changed.
But the kind of response you are getting from the public, definitely they want to see you in a bigger role, apart from campaigning for Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi. How you are going to fulfill that expectation of the public?
Well, I'm always there to help my mother and my brother. And whenever they require my help, I'm always there, and that's my contribution.
One thing which is into the media since past a few days, the war of words which is going between Narendra Modi and you. Do you think that this is something bad for the politics and it should be stopped at a certain level?
I think that as responsible people, we should all concentrate on what are the needs of the people and the challenges that face our nation. I don't think we should waste our time on gudiyas and all this nonsense.
Yesterday you said that you see Rahul as in a role of a prime minister. You see him as a potential prime minister candidate. What kind of qualities do you think that is necessary for a prime minister? And are Rahul equipped with all these qualities, or he will take some more time before he?
I was asked whether he has these qualities. Obviously, I am his sister. I think he has very good qualities. First of all, he has a good heart, and he's honest, and he really wants to work for people. And mostly, he's an institution builder. He has a vision for India. He believes in certain things, certain principles which he stands by. And his mind works very much in the way that he builds institutions wherever he goes. And he is doing that work in the Congress party already. He has been focusing all this time on building democracy in the party. And that in itself is revolutionary.
You have a huge fan following in Uttar Pradesh, let me tell you. But you are just campaigning in Rai Bareli and Amethi. People are expecting some more. Don't you think that you should go in other parts of the state as well, and you should revive the Congress, which has completely been marginalized in Uttar Pradesh?
I would most certainly do that if I was interested in joining politics. But since I am not, I do my duty towards my brother and my mother, and I keep it that way.
Whom do you think is a better politician, Sonia Gandhi ji or Rahul Gandhi?
They're both good politicians.
One last question. Do you think there should be any age for the politician to contest the elections? Because the war of word which is going between Budhia and Gudiya, there should be certain limits of age limits.
Age limits in what sense? There are age limits. You cannot contest before you're 25. That's an age limit. Upper age limit. Well, I'm no one to speak about upper age limit. It depends from person to person.
So this was Priyanka Gandhi, the star campaigner of Congress, who clearly said that it will take some time before she enters the politics, and she said she is just doing her role of being a sister and a daughter. With camera person Gopal Chaudhary, Anurag Tripathi, News X, Sultanpur.